It's simple and free to share a digital copy of your Avon brochure. Select the digital brochure on avon.com or avon.ca. English brochures are available on both sites. Spanish is available in the US and French is available in Canada. Scroll down on the page a bit and you'll see some sharing icons. You can share to social media or email, and if you're on your phone, you'll see a text icon. You can also simply copy your shareable link to paste wherever you want. I'll go ahead and share it with a text message. Now be sure to add a personal message to the recipient. Happy sharing, everyone!